Tonight we witnessed something truly special. Did you guys enjoy those collab performances na first time nating nakita? Palakpakan natin, thank you, Nina Watson! Grabe, this isn't just a concert or a collaborative performance. It's a celebration of the vibrant P-pop community and its unstoppable rise. This coming together of our favorite P-pop groups is just the beginning. And also, remember, our journey does not end here. As we move forward together with Watsons, we are committed to working harder and better, bringing you even more amazing performances and events. Now, with your love and support, we aim to reach bigger audiences and inspire more supporters, not just here in the Philippines, but across the globe. Tama ba yan? So thank you for being a part of this historic night. Remember, the P-pop community is growing, and together we can make it even greater. Let's continue to support our amazing artists and spread the love for P-pop far and wide. Once again, let's give it up for Alamat! G22! Kaya! Horizon! And SB19! Now guys, syempre, alam mo, iniisip ng lahat, pwede magpa-picture? Pwede ba yun? Pwede magpa-picture? Yes, guys!
Ay, pwede tao. Pwede.
So, everyone, flower P-pop artists, please, let's face there. And we'll have a group photo with everyone. So, to all the fans, eto na, iangat nyo na ang mga banners na prepare ninyo. Yung mga gusto nyo makita sa ating group picture. Alright, we are just going to do some blocking over here. Yes? Everybody, yung mga banners nyo, taas nyo na, guys!
Tinahan yung mga banners ninyo!
Alright! Watsons Club members, smile! Everybody say, P-pop rise! 3, 2, 1! P-pop rise! Everybody say, thank you, Watsons! Thank you, Alright, and now everyone, dito naman tayo humarap. Let's face our Watsons Club members once again.
Watsons!
There you go. Once again, thank you so much sa mga mag-iliw ng Alamat! Sa Bullets ng G22! Sa Zaya ng Kaya! Sa Emperors ng Horizon! At sa mga 18 ng SB19! As we wrap up, we want to thank each and every one of you for being here tonight. Your passion and support make this Watsons playlist, the Feel Great P-pop Power Concert, truly unforgettable.
So we encourage, of course, everyone to continue to look good, do good, and feel great. Whether it's just, about beauty, wellness products, you can actually still score your Watson's member merch. Again, it is now available via the Watson's app and of course via the Watson's website. And please do not forget as well to still use our hashtag sa ating napaka-powerful na playlist concert, hashtag Watson's playlist, hashtag Watson's favorite concert, and hashtag Watson's Viva Power Concert!
Alright, let's keep this positive energy alive and continue to inspire each other. Stay connected with us and your favorite P-pop artists through our social media channels and keep an eye out for more exciting events from Watson's.
Again, a massive thank you